The trial for Johnny Depp's defamation lawsuit against ex-wife and actress Amber Heard has adjourned following more than 2 days of the actor's testimony.
Yeah, the widely watched case will enter its third week on Monday. During their cross-examination Thursday, attorneys for Heard sought to undermine Depp's lawsuit by focusing on the actor's drinking, drug use, and texts that he sent to friends. In one of those texts, Depp wrote he wanted to kill and defile his ex-wife. He claims Heard was the aggressor in their relationship. Now, the actor is suing his ex-wife for $50 million after she wrote an op-ed about being a victim of domestic violence back in 2018. Although Heard did not name him, Depp said that the piece caused irreparable damage to his reputation and career. Heard countersued Depp for defamation after his lawyers called the allegations a hoax.
Joining us now is Kevin Frazier. He is the co-host of Entertainment Tonight, which is a division of our parent company, Paramount. Kevin, thanks for joining us. Amber,
hey, Michelle.
Hi. Well, Amber Heard's lawyers spent hours yesterday trying to delegitimize Depp's defamation claims and paint him as a destructive spouse. How effective do you think they were?
Well, let's take one story in particular. Johnny Depp claims that Amber Heard threw a vodka bottle at him that then sliced off his finger. The lawyers did a phenomenal job of digging up text messages and audio showing where Depp often referred to that finger that he sliced it off. Over and over again, talking about, I cut my finger off, I sliced it off. So they did a fabulous job there. They also had video, audio, and text messages showing violent behavior, language, and also vulgar language. And so what they have done is they've unraveled the myth of this movie star, showed that this man was a man who had a drug abuse problem. He had a substance abuse problem, and he also had tendencies to act out often.
This is just messy, Kevin. This whole thing is just messy. The details that you're hearing.
Messy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Johnny Depp has said a little bit in his testimony that was a younger, confused version of myself when some of these descriptions of him have been articulated in the courtroom. What is that? Is that a defense?
Listen, no, it's not a defense. And we will hear, listen, the jurors will ultimately decide what happens in this defamation case. But really, the bigger thing is, as I mentioned, you're seeing the unraveling of a movie star's career. Basically, Willy Wonka gave everybody in the world a gold ticket, and now they're coming into his chocolate factory and they're pulling back the curtain and seeing what was really going on. And what was really going on was a dysfunctional relationship where two people really just tore each other apart. Because remember this, for all his troubles, a lot of people feel that maybe Amber Heard should have helped Johnny Depp instead. She was filming him. And then at the same time, you see that today there's a TikTok that has gone viral. The cosmetics company Mola showing that Amber claimed in court that she used Milani Cosmetics to cover up her injuries from Depp. And Milani said that the makeup she referred to wasn't even around in 2017. So there's a whole lot of things that are going back and forth. But at the end of the day, these two people are the people that are losing, and the world is watching, and the world is obsessed with it.
You know, Kevin, before I even heard about this trial, the movie Fantastic Beasts, The Secrets of Dumbledore. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. And I was wondering why Johnny Depp hadn't reprised his role in it. And when I heard about this trial, I was like, aha.
That could be why.
Right?
Yeah.
So, I'm just curious, as many people are, how is this going to impact the Depp's storied career? I mean, he's had an amazing career over the last 30 years. For that matter, this young ingenue, somewhat young ingenue, Amber Heard.
Well, I can tell you this. I talked to a producer who worked with Johnny Depp, and here's what you have to understand. His writer, what it takes to get Johnny Depp on your set besides money are so many other things, so many things that come along with putting Johnny Depp in a feature film. And this producer said to me, look, the guy just got too big. He has things in his writer like, he gets $20,000 to decorate his trailer each and every time. He has his own drivers and crew and sound men and everyone. So you look at a man who on the Pirates movies made, $60 million on the second and third each time out. And so he now has become a liability and an expense. As this producer said to me, he just got too big. And it's that simple. Yeah, we'll have to see how all this plays out. But you imagine that both of them are going to suffer, at least in the public image.
At least for now.
There is no doubt that both of these people's careers are damaged forever, irreparably.
Kevin Frazier, thank you very much.